Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily duplicate a Word file right from the Dropbox mobile app with the latest updated steps, so you can keep a backup or create a copy for editing without touching your original document. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab to access all your stored documents. Next, find the Word file you want to duplicate. When you spot it, tap the three dots icon right next to the file name. This opens a menu with several options. From the menu, select Duplicate. This tells Dropbox you want to create an exact copy of the file. After that, you'll be prompted to choose where to save this duplicated file. You can pick the same folder where the original is stored, or select any other folder in your Dropbox. Once you've selected your destination folder, tap Duplicate again to confirm and finalize the process. Dropbox will then create the copy for you, keeping the original file intact. The duplicated file will appear in the folder you selected, ready for you to rename or edit as needed. Duplicating files in Dropbox on your mobile is a great way to organize versions of a document, experiment with edits, or simply back up important work without worrying about losing anything. Just remember, this updated method works seamlessly, whether you're on Android or iOS, giving you the flexibility to manage your Word documents wherever you go. So, to recap, open Dropbox, tap Files, find your Word file, tap the three dots, select Duplicate, choose the destination, and confirm by tapping Duplicate again. It's that simple. Now you can duplicate any Word file quickly and keep your workflow smooth and effortless on the go. Give it a try and enjoy the convenience of managing your files directly from your phone.